In this video, we are going to see how to install CrowdStrike Falcon sensors for the MacBook. Since I have already downloaded the package for the MacBook, you just have to click on the download button and you will be able to download the package for the MacBook. After downloading the package, you have to copy your CID, which is your customer ID, then double click on the downloaded package. It will start installing the package on the device. It will ask you for the admin password at the time of the installations. Provide your admin credentials, then click on install software. It will take 2 to 3 seconds for the installations of the package. Package has been installed. Now you have to provide the customer ID. You just have to paste that, which we have copied from the console. Installations token button is optional. Just keep it empty. Click on continue. Then load the network filter. Click on setup. Allow. Then click on continue again. Now you have to set up the extensions for the device. Just click on setup. You will be redirected to the settings of the device. Click on open system settings. Then there is a button. Yeah, just turn this on for the Falcon. So Falcon has been added as a security extensions in the MacBook. Click on done. Then wait for a few seconds to reflect the SAM over the CrowdStrike applications. The change has been reflected. Click on continue. Now we have to provide the full disk access for the file quarantine, file scans, and remote response to the device. Again, same way, it will redirect you to the settings. You just have to turn on the full disk access for the Falcon sensors, provide your admin credentials, and click on modify settings and wait for a few seconds to reflect the SAM over the application of the CrowdStrike. Then click on continue. You will be able to see the buttons like sensor is registered, sensor is operational, and sensor is cloud connected.